Chagos Islands, a stunning archipelago in the Indian Ocean, have recently become a focal point in the battle for environmental justice. These islands, home to unique biodiversity and pristine ecosystems, are under threat from geopolitical tensions and military interests. The UK's continued control over the islands has led to the displacement of the indigenous Chagosians, who were forcibly removed in the 1960s and 70s to make way for a US military base. Now, as climate change accelerates, the ecological significance of Chagos cannot be overstated. The coral reefs here are among the most resilient in the world, providing crucial habitats for marine life. However, rising sea levels and ocean acidification pose severe risks. Activists are rallying to protect this fragile environment, advocating for sustainable practices and the restoration of rights for the Chagosian people. The recent UN resolutions calling for the end of British control highlight the urgent need for action. It's not just about sovereignty, it's about preserving a unique ecosystem that could hold the key to combating climate change. The fight for Chagos is a fight for our planet's future, reminding us that environmental activism is intertwined with human rights. We must amplify these voices and push for a sustainable solution that honors both the land and its people. The Chagos Islands, a remote archipelago in the Indian Ocean, are on the brink of a significant transition. After decades of British control, these islands are set to be handed over to Mauritius, raising crucial questions about their future. This region is home to unique ecosystems, including vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life, which are under threat from climate change and human activity. As environmental activists, we must consider the implications of this handover. Will Mauritius prioritize conservation, or will economic interests overshadow ecological preservation? The islands have been largely untouched, providing a rare opportunity to restore and protect their fragile habitats. Moreover, the return of the Chagosians, who were forcibly removed in the 1960s and 70s, adds another layer to this narrative. Their voices and rights must be central in discussions about the island's future. The fate of the Chagos Islands is not just a local issue, it's a global one. It reflects our commitment to environmental justice and the protection of biodiversity. As we move forward, we must advocate for sustainable practices that honor both the land and its people. The world is watching, and the decisions made here could set a precedent for conservation efforts worldwide.